This is the DW3000 series boom/straight stand. I've had this stand for over a year now, and it's been absolutely fantastic. One of the coolest features I like about this guy is actually right here on the cymbal seat. If you notice, I'm spinning this guy and it's spinning down. It actually creates more of a gap for your cymbal if you crank the wing nut at the top really tight. It's really cool. You can make it so your cymbal is very tight and not have to worry about the top flying off. But speaking of the top here, this actually has a spring release. So if I pull it, I can just straight up pull this thing all the way off and not worry about it. If I want to spin it down to make sure it's secure, I can do that still, or I can just press it and pull up. This comes with the stand. You also have the toothless tilter right here, and you have a memory lock on the actual boom shaft here. Fantastic. Something else that they added this to the stand, and I think it makes it even better, is that right here, you can loosen and slide the boom in and out without having to worry about the tilt of the boom changing, because the tilt is controlled by this one, which it also has these notches right here, so you know exactly where your tilt is. But you have it where, boom, okay, now this bar is locked in, but I can change the tilt at any point, use the toothless tilter up here, boom, I'm back in business. This is one of the fastest stands I've found to be able to set up when I'm sitting at the drum kit. I can reach in and adjust everything individually and not accidentally like unscrew this guy and everything falls apart. Now, the other cool thing is that these guys all have, it has a memory lock here, it has a memory lock here, it has a memory lock here. So if you take it apart, which is what I do when I travel, I take this thing completely apart. You tighten down these memory locks here, you can pull the pull completely out just like I did right there, and you don't have to worry about how you reset it. It's all going to be exactly how you had it before. Weight-wise, this thing is heavy enough to where I run my ride in a massive tray underneath it, and it's given me absolutely zero problems. I have 3 of these on my drum kit. I can be a hard hitter at times, and never once have I worried about them falling over, nor have they ever fallen over. If you're in the market for an amazing boom/straight stand, this DW3000 series is unbelievable. It's blown my mind. I highly recommend it.